Because our new friends, the monsters, aren't coming to invade us, they're actually coming because they need laughter. I think we need to revisit our plans.
Monsters need laughs, not fights?
Exactly. Our laughter helps them. But maybe we can help them in other ways too. And maybe they can help us too. The fact that they can travel between worlds is certainly something I would love to hear more about. Also, we have learned so much about problem solving. I wouldn't want all of our great lessons and learnings go to waste.
I know what we should do. We should have a ball to welcome them. It sounds like they'll be here in just a few days with the Monster Inc. facilities team. It could be a welcome ball. Everyone could wear fancy gowns, and we could have music and laughter.
That's a splendid idea, Cinderella. A welcome party would certainly set a positive tone. What does everyone think about turning this monster invasion strategy session into a monster welcome party planning session?
That sounds like a great idea, Duplo teacher. However, I have something more pressing to do. If the ball's only a few days away, that barely gives me enough time to pick out the perfect ball gown. If I start now, maybe I can do it, but I can't help with this strategy party planning session. I'll see you guys soon.
Okay, Cinderella. Best of luck. Does anyone else have more pressing commitments?
Hulk already has perfect ball outfit planned. Hulk help plan party.
Wonderful, Hulk. I'm sure you'll look very dapper. Now back to planning.
And look, we already have the project plan template ready to go. We can use this to plan the party. And we have the blue planning hat. Wearing the hat, I think we've already identified several pieces of the party plan. Minnie, are you ready to start writing? I sure am. Oh, shucks, I think having the ball right when the monsters arrive makes a lot of sense. We can add more to the timeline as details emerge. But now let's move on to the next section. Resources.
Quack! I am the snack master! Whoa!
Donald should definitely be in charge of the food. Oh, and we'll need decorations too.
I can decorate the party with fairy lights.
And what about location? It sounds like currently the only door the monsters can fit through is Cookie Monster's, so I'm assuming the monsters will be arriving at Cookie Monster's house on November 30th.
Here's a thought. What if we worked with Cookie Monster and had the welcome party right in front of his house?
As long as we bring him cookies, I'm sure he would be more than happy to help. And he's always in the process of remodeling. Maybe we can get him to remodel his home in an even more monster-friendly way.
Wonderful idea, Duplo teacher. Hey, should we invite other Duplos to welcome the monsters? If so, we would need a guest list and invitations. I think including more Duplos is a great idea, Peter Pan. And we can't forget icebreakers, because trust me, there's nothing scarier at a monster party than awkward silence. Oh, Mickey, you're so insightful. Oh, and music. After all, a monster party without dance tunes is like a vampire without fangs. It just doesn't have the same bite. Oh, hilarious. I'll head up the vintage cleanup crew. I may be old, but I've certainly survived bigger messes than any monster party can make. Wonderful, Walter. Thank you. Black hat perspective here. What if all that work makes us too tired to even enjoy the party? That's where my Bat Coffee comes to the rescue, Olaf. Okay, Bat Coffee should cover that, but between the cookie brides, the decorations, invitations, spread, decorations, music, hot chocolate bar, and decorations, there is going to be a ton of work to do before the monsters arrive. How are we going to do it all? Maybe we divide and conquer? Great idea, Batman. We could have different groups based on our different buckets. We need Duplos working on decorations, the guest list, and invitations. Cookie Monster outreach, / location preparation, food and drink, icebreakers and music. Blue hat again. I can divvy up the different teams, and then we'll get this party started.
Thank you for joining our monster party planning adventure. We hope you're just as excited as we are to throw the best monster party ever. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss a moment of the fun. Until then, keep laughing, keep dreaming, and keep building, dear friends. Remember, the best parties are the ones we build together.